Hello friends, welcome to Cool IT Help. This is AutoIt Basic Concept Tutorial Part 6. In this tutorial session, we will discuss about few important functions, WinWait and WinClose. So agenda is very clear. In this session, we are going to learn about the working of WinWait and WinClose method. All set, let's begin. First, we will see the purpose. I will explain you here. So what is the purpose of these methods? So first we will see about the WinWait. Basically, WinWait method pauses the execution of a script until the requested window appears. Suppose you are in situation and you want to wait your script for a window which will open by the user after n seconds. Okay, in that case, we will call the WinWait method and this will pause the execution of the script for the given time. Okay, now the second method, WinClose. As the name suggests, we have WinClose method to close the windows. This is the simple purpose. We can close the window with the help of WinClose method. Okay, let's look into the method signature of WinWait. So this is the signature of WinWait. We have three arguments. First one is the title, or this can be the object, or this can be the class name. So with the help of this thing, the title, this may be the title of the window, or this can be the class name from which we can identify that we are looking for that particular window. Okay, so this can be the ID to detect that for a window for which we are looking. Okay, the second thing is the text. So this is the text that is present on the window. Maybe it should be there or not. If some text is present, suppose in some windows there are some pre-text which were present and you were expecting that this text is there, so this can be the matching string. But in some cases, text is not required. That's why this is optional in this WinWait method. The third parameter is the timeout. The timeout, this is the number of time. This is the number of time in seconds for which you want to pause the execution of your script. So you can give 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. So you can specify the time in seconds at this place. And in suppose you are not giving anything, you are putting 0, that means no timeout. And the timeout, what will happen if the timeout occurs? When the timeout occurs, your script execution will return failure and the next statements will not execute and your execution will be stopped. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now we will see the demo script. So this is the simple example that I am taking and I will run this script in the AutoIt script editor. So I'm calling a simple example method and here I have declared the function. This is the way to declare the function. Inside the function we are doing some activities. So look here, what we are trying, we are looking for a notepad to open by user. Once the notepad appears, so execution will move to the next statement and then to the next. If this timeout occurs, nothing will happen and my script will terminate. So here I am calling the WinWait. As you can see, I have used this thing class : notepad. So I am using the class ID to find out the notepad for which I am waiting. Okay, the next thing, I left blank, so I'm not using the text because a new notepad will not contain any text on it. And the third one is this waiting time. So I want to wait for the 10 seconds for the user to open the notepad. If the user opens notepad in 10 seconds, then this will detected and the execution will go on. Okay, the next statement I have placed here, which is sleep. as the name is self-explanatory. So I'm using the sleep method for wait to taking a pause for the 5 second. Okay, so once the notepad is open, I will come to this statement, and this statement will wait for the 5 seconds. So here I have specified 5000. This is milliseconds. Okay, you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. After 5 seconds, next statement will be executed. So we will reach at this statement. This is the WinClose, and as you can see here, I have used the class ID for referring that notepad window. At this place you can use the title, or you can use the object reference as well. So WinClose we are calling to close that opened notepad window. Okay, and this is the closing of the function. Now the complete code is from line number 25 to 35. And now I want to add more information here. So as I have told you, we have 3 different ways to detect the particular window. Okay, so in place of using the class name everywhere, we can use to catch this window inside this local variable. You can say this is holding the reference of this notepad window. Once we get it, we can use anywhere in the program, or in place of this WinClose, we can use this statement WinClose and this object reference. With the help of this, we can close our window as well, because this is very handy. Not every place you need to type all these or a lengthy class name. We can simply use this simple variable. Okay, now we are going to run this script. So let me open the editor. So here I have the script editor, and I have just pasted this script here, and now saving this script. Now I want to run it. Okay, so I'm going to run this script through the script runner. I think I lost this script. Run script. Okay, got it. Run script. And this is my test script. I think this is not saved. I need to save it first, then I will pick this script. Here we go. Okay, so script is running. Now I need to open the notepad within 10 seconds. So I just opened through this window search, and now this notepad is open. Now see, this notepad is closed. So the statement is executed, which is present at line number 34. So first statement 28 detected that windows opened by the user, and it just wait for the next 5 seconds. After that, it just closed the opened notepad windows. This way this function executed successfully here in this AutoIt scripting. So guys, these are the working of WinWait and WinClose. I hope these methods are clear to you, and you are free to use these methods in your Auto script. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to learn more. And we will learn more important function in coming tutorial part 7, and I hope to see you there. Till then, bye bye.